Ferruccio Lamborghini. You know who I am.
Oh, yes. We make tractors.
Ferrari, there is a problem. The clutch. They all bad. I have a solution. If you consider a partnership, Ferrari, Lamborghini. You make the best cars in the world.
Go back to your tractors, farmer.
When you knocked on my door.
Car manufacturers and design. So how does someone pen this new card?
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the world press, I give you Lamborghini GT. You buy a Ferrari when you want to be someone. You buy a Lamborghini when you are someone. Lamborghini!